Oh my god,
Thank you. Oh yeah, do you know that?
That highlight is like a powdery, but it's really like pop.
Thank you. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you!
Thank you.
Feliz cumpleaños! But why are you recording me saying I'm gonna buy you something?
I couldn't make the effort. I couldn't make the effort to walk all the way over there to the store.
I had so much homework and I promised you I was going to, but my brother was English. My brother was being a brat and wouldn't drive me anywhere. Hold on. Happy birthday to you. Wait. Ready?
For the third time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ajay. Happy birthday to you. Wait. Feliz cumpleaños. Feliz cumpleaños a ti. Feliz cumpleaños a Ajay. Feliz cumpleaños a ti.
Thank you so much. Oh my god. Hey. Happy birthday. You guys are so amazing. I love you. Good morning, ladies, dudettes, dudes, and dudettes. Yeah. Good morning. Good afternoon, dudes and dudettes. Ew. Today is April 12th. It's my birthday. Can you actually stop? Your girl's 15 today, and I'm just like really excited. Oh my gosh. I'm like blowing up with excitement here. And then you guys can also see I filmed what I had got from school for my friends, the gifts they got me, but I don't know exactly like from last week because they're two totally different videos. I'm just going to relax in the car. All right, let's do this. We're back, guys. So I'm about to go somewhere with my mom. I did get presents from my friends. I freaking love them so much. So I'm going to just do that real quick, and I'm basically gonna show you guys what I got. And to make it clear, everyone who didn't give me a gift, do not feel any type of way or feel upset because you didn't give me one. It's a thought that counts, and I'm just grateful for each and every one of you guys. So we're gonna start off with Ida's stuff. She got me an eyeshadow palette. Did she give me earrings? She got me earrings. Thank you so much, Ida. Bath and Body Works. She got me Bath and Body Works lotion. Another Bath and Body Works lotion. And then she got me this highlighter. James Charles Hoop. I got gummy bears. This is from my really close friend, Andre. He got me my favorite candy, Kit Kat. Any sweet tarts, because you know they love them. Oh my gosh. Sarah got me icebreakers because I actually. Ayana got me this card that says Maui. That's my name for her, or for me, for her. And then Kit Kats. And then he got me this box. Again, okay, I'm just gonna put this down. And then he got me gum because. All right, I'm just gonna like calm down real quick. I'll be right back. I want to get my nails done. I'll get back with you guys later when something happens. We are currently on our way to go to the Chinese buffet for my birthday. That's fun. By the way, good afternoon. It's like 6 something because I woke up late first about like 3 something. I can freaking lock the door.
Johnny T.
Good morning, everyone. It's currently 11 o'clock and it's Sunday, of course. I'm going to go fishing and then we're also going to go try and see a movie today. So yesterday we went to the Chinese buffet. So I'm gonna start getting ready for fishing. My mom's cooking breakfast. My dad's setting all the fishing poles up, and then I'll see you guys there. So get ready with me, but I guess I'm not anymore. So we're on our way to Target to go pick up some swimsuits, just in case we want to swim, and that's pretty much it. I'll be vlogging as much as I can there. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I love you. I'm getting cool and I'm scared of letting go. I knew I needed you, but I never showed. I wanna stay with you until one day you know. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't. Yeah. I got a one piece, but it's adorable. I got this cover up. It's super cute. It has little flamingos on it. I think it's like the cutest outfit ever. Considering I always pick out a 2-piece. My mom was like, oh, I think you would look adorable in this. And I was kind of unsure about it at first, but I ended up changing my mind and I really, really like this bathing suit. It is definitely, it's super cute to me, at least. So we're gonna go get dressed. I'm going to sit around for a little bit.
I like more on the sex. Oh no, that's the wrong part.
Last night a DJ saved my life. Last night a DJ saved my life, yeah. Cause I was sitting there bored to death, and in just one breath he said, you gotta get up, you gotta get off, you gotta get down, girl. You know you drive me crazy, baby. You've got me turning to another man. Called you on the phone, no one's home. Baby, why leave me all alone? And if it wasn't for the music, I don't know what I'd do. Yeah. Last night a DJ saved my life. Last night a DJ saved my life from a broken heart. Last night a DJ saved my life. Last night a DJ saved my life with a song. I hopped into my car, didn't get very far, no. Before I had you on my mind, why be so unkind? You've got your women all